it, girl. Take it to the flow. Show him how he roll. Drop it low. Drop it low, drop it low. Real nice. Real. This my dude. He going to the military. Get her a name. All out. That's my favorite photographer. She's single. Came all prepared. I'm trying to help you.
It's okay. I don't want a boyfriend. I'm just kidding.
She a single.
She's joking about the joke.
Put your hands up. You're stupid. I hate you.
And I think.
Wow.
I don't think security lets everyone go to the top.
Anybody feel warmer now? No?
You want me to take you on a date?
Thank you.
I see that. I feel a little warmer.
You too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I feel a little hot now. Seeing all this
Well, you
religious
hot.
shit.
Oh, this is so cool.
I'm gonna have to save this. You said what? Is that for the military people?
I think so.
Dang, are you ready for them?
Lieutenant, major.
Famous fire mission. Wow, this is amazing.
You better stop judging me.
In that hallway right there.
That's right, big Brennan. Pose for your picture. You got 20% battery. You are. We're behind the scenes. Got the model right here, photographer, and just average knucklehead right here. Says you can never take a great picture, but I think that's a lie. Look at him. Always got a great smile. Always.
Oh, he just chilling. Come back my camera. I just like the infrastructure. Oh, look how beautiful it is right there.
It is.
I don't like you at all.
Where we go now?
I kind of want to ask them a couple questions.
Go ahead. We just sit here and
Can I
talk.
ask them for your blog?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you can just.
I just want to ask them a couple questions for his blog. Can I?
Go ahead. Look it up.
Wait, I'm kind of scared.
Here. Hi. Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah, can we do that? Or?
Are you
I'm
never?
sure you can. Let me be very honest with you. I don't work.
You don't work here?
So, yeah. So, I'll give you permission, but I don't work here.
You just need permission to be on camera.
Yeah, you're right.
Company, but they do blogs all the time around here, I guess.
Really?
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, photography, do whatever you got to do.
Nice.
Fun. As long as you don't enter that private party,
Okay.
you're golden.
Wait, what happened? What's in the private party? Can you tell me?
Come on now.
He said, you're
Both
too
know
young.
that's exactly where I wanted to go.
Dang, dang, that's crazy. It's like all important people.
That's the one. That's the one
Obviously
place I
not,
wanna go.
because I'm not in there.
Right?
Dang.
That's funny though. He says that's the one place you're not supposed to go, and that's the one place I'm supposed to go.
No, he said you don't work here.
Oh, dang, that's crazy. That's crazy because you guys look so like important. You know, like,
Oh, you put a suit on somebody.
That's right.
yeah, but you
No,
guys
it's the
have-
ear thing. The
it's
ear thing is the thing that does
yeah.
it. Marissa, the interview. Actually, this vlog's about her. What's she up to? Marissa, where?
It's like this.
I should start my own.
And what do you plan on doing later in life?
Tell us.
I plan on being a high school teacher, teaching language arts.
Wow.
I want to go that career. That's a bunch of knuckleheads right there.
It's not for the paycheck.
Obviously, it's not for the paycheck.
Yeah, not for the paycheck.
He just loves people, huh?
I was thinking to myself, like, that guy, like, kept it to a minimum. Like,
He did. See,
I feel like we weren't, like, supposed to know what was going on in that
yeah, it was weird because they were looking, huh?
And it had, like, that eagle, like, you know, like, those eagle pins?
Like-
it's, like President Trump.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And that earpiece.
You think he was from?
He's trained to do that. He has to be. I know it's like
Yeah, it's gonna go off. Don't do that. alarm goes off.
The alarm's not gonna go off.
Yeah.
No, see?
Obviously, Marissa's a delinquent, and
Definitely not a delinquent.
Just what she does. Well, it's a good life that we have, huh?
Huh?
It's a good life that we have, huh?
I want to say our life is
I
good.
can.
It's fun, but it's fun, but it's not a good life. It's a fun life.
If life is fun, life's good.
Yes.
Let me get some without jacket on.
Ooh, show off those muscles.
And I'm telling you,
Show 'em.
I ain't going nowhere.
Oh my god.
Brandon, you want a picture right there on the rocks with the waterfall?
Oh, the where?
On the waterfall? The rocks?
Oh, that's lucky fresh.
Do you want to take a picture right here?
Sure. Here, take.
The persistence. Come on now. Look at the admiration for this job.
Y'all better hire.
Serious about the work? You get this person right here. Look at this.
God.
Right on the ground.
God.
Am I right?
Only the best of the best. Get on
Hey,
camera.
I told him he
Get on.
should have hired me a long time ago, but he wanted
Best
to
of
be
the best.
iPhone quality over here.
You remember me playing around in the fucking garage? I was like, this is... I wasn't joking. The photographers get like that.
You're right. All right,
First and the second one.
Now I'm gonna take some
They
headshots.
they
now.
both good.
Hold on, I'm gonna take some headshots.
Oh, I know how to do headshots.
You got these pencil? I hate you.
Nah, at work I fucking throw bags at people. I aim for headshots.
Oh, so you're just hitting people in the head for no reason.
Oh, they aim for nut shots. I'm aiming for headshots. If anything,
Fucked up.
I'm the generous one.
Fuck. You're talking to the one and only Baltazar. No social media, but it's cool.
You don't need social media to be popular.
Guys, headshots,
Yeah, you are popping.
headshots.
And we're back.
I think this is very hard.
Back in.
If it ends, oh,
I'm just taking like practice.
so yeah. If it ends, I ran out of memory.
Okay, I found the focus.
Right here.
Here it is. Get your ass in place.
Do this.
So what?
Hold your cat.
Oh,
Oh wait, hold on.
hey man, what you gotta say about Samir?
He knows how to take a nut shot. That's for sure.
I love Samir.
Do you? Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. No worries at all.
Bad Evan.
Wow, look at this place. Oh. You're here again with Marissa, the one and only,
The photographer.
the photographer. She's
She really gets to work.
she knows what she's doing.
She gets done what needs to get done.
You can find her at Yo Girl Marissa _10.
Do you know that area? Do you know that area where like you can see the stairs and like people stand or they take pictures and like you can take it from like the angle of where like you see it like spiral?
Kinda. I don't know if it's here though.
No, it is here, but I just don't know where.
So,
Just look, it looks like
oh, go ahead. Yeah, I don't want to get in your way.
the Tipton Hotel.
See, I want one right.
Is there still on?
Esteban, Julio. I hate it. Esteban, Julio.
Yeah, I vaguely
Ricardo.
remember that show.
Huh?
I said I vaguely remember that show.
That was like a
No
classic.
childhood.
No childhood.
I'm sorry, I was outside playing in the park and getting
Okay,
hurt.
so was I.
Denied.
Wow.
He's gonna tell me.
Damn right, I'm gonna tell you.
Ooh, we got a little.
He's letting this camera
Oh my
thing-
God, what you doing?
He's letting this
Fight her.
camera. He's letting this camera thing get to his head.